How to increase mobile data speed without any apps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can increase your mobile data speed without any apps. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, let's just jump right into it. To increase mobile data speed without apps, first try restarting your phone. Press on power and volume up button together. If you see the restart button, tap on it. After you've restarted your device, check if your speed increases. If not, you will then need to reset your network settings. For that, go to your settings, scroll down till you find system, tap on it. On your system, you'll find reset options. Tap on reset options, then tap on reset mobile network settings. Then tap on reset settings and reset all of your mobile network settings. After you've done that, you will then need to disable background apps for non-essential apps. So for that, you will need to head over to your settings again. Let's come back to settings. Then you will need to go to your data uses. Go to apps. Find the app that uses most of your data, even when you are not using it. So for example, if I don't use TikTok much, but if it's using my data a lot, tap on TikTok. After that, head over to mobile data uses and turn off background data. After you've turned it off, you're good to go. And do this for other apps as well. After that, you will need to basically check for better connections. So make sure that you're on an area with good network connection. And doing those will fix your problem and increase your mobile data speed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.